We believe that food and travel are very interconnected.
If you really want to feel like you've gone to a place, eating the food and learning about the food culture of a place is the best way for me.
SALT, Sea and Land Taste, is a very unique program. It's very different from what the industry has been doing so far.
SALT is a new initiative to connect travelers to the places we're visiting through the food and food culture of the world.
Silver Moon will showcase an entire ecosystem around culinary discovery.
This will consist of the SALT Lab, which is a hub for culinary exploration, SALT Kitchen, which is our new regional focused restaurant, which will change menus as we travel along, and SALT Bar, which will allow us to experiment with new flavors and wines and drinks of the regions we're visiting. I think the real power of a project like this is that we're able to see things in port, and then when we're at sea, we're able to dissect them in a way and really learn how things are made, bring ingredients on board, bring on experts who can give context, teach us how to make things. So we're not just sort of going off and having a meal, we're really having an experience that extends that to when we're sailing. The great thing about the SALT Lab is you're a hub for culinary exploration, and you go with it from place to place, and we're going to get off the ship and have an adventure and eat things and then come back and talk about them, learn how things are made. So it keeps you connected to the places you're visiting.